Hi, I'm Linda. This is a Superdrug tutorial. I'm going to show you how to do a lovely natural look for mature skin. I'm going to begin by prepping my skin with this primer. So just an even layer over your face. Take it down to your neck. Because I'm going for a natural look today, I'm not using a foundation, I'm using a CC cream. I'm going to conceal now because although I want to look natural, I still want to look as flawless as I possibly can. So just dabbing and then blending just around the outside. I'm going to curl my eyelashes with just a couple of pumps. I want to keep this look nice and soft, so I'm just going to apply a nice soft smudgy line. This is a really lovely soft pencil. I'm just going to take a brush now and just blend a little bit just to make this line even softer. Onto brows now. I'm using a brow gel. This is super easy. All you need to do is just run it through, and that's it. That's all there is to it. So finally, a multitasking product. This is lip and cheek tint. Just loading the product on my finger, and I'm just gonna dab it on. So I'm going to put this on my cheek now, nice and high on the cheekbone, and just blending it in. So that's the finished look. A really simple but perfect natural daytime makeup for mature skin. Thank you for watching this Superdrug tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.